Hello, my name is Tamara Bredemus, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today I'd like to talk to you about when to use Teams versus SharePoint when we're looking at a project. I would recommend that you use Teams when you're at the active phase of the project. That way you can use Teams meetings to meet at any time and get the decisions you need right up front. Then you could use channels to divide up your conversations so that you could have an area to discuss your issues and risks and another area to discuss your communication plan. Then you could use Planner to keep your project plan always at your fingertips and use co-authoring with chat to build your artifacts in a collaborative environment. Once the project is completed and the artifacts are built, consider storing the artifacts on SharePoint, where they're searchable, storable, and easy to access for anybody who has the right permissions. So thank you so much for joining us for Tips and Tricks, and we'll see you next time.